This video demonstrates the process of using the steering wheel to move a subassembly while maintaining existing relationships. The cooler lid and the cooler bottom are the individual parts we'll modify within the cooler assembly. The top and the body are individual parts at the assembly level. The cooler has a latch, but it is in the wrong location. The latch needs to be moved toward the front. To solve this problem, we'll use the steering wheel to move both latch parts at the assembly level and still maintain the existing relationships. Open the Select Tool options and select Face Priority. Face Priority allows the selection and manipulation of synchronous faces at the assembly level. Face Priority only works on synchronous faces. Faces in ordered parts are not valid for Face Priority selection. Fins select the latch feature from both the top and the body to create a select set. When the steering wheel appears, click the primary axis and drag the select set to the new location. You could use In Place Activate to edit each part and move each feature. However, remaining at the assembly level and moving the select set with steering wheel can be much faster and more accurate.